This is a short lesson on mole fraction. Alright, so mole fraction is basically a relationship between the number of moles and pressure. There has to be a relationship between moles and pressure. Moles is how many molecules are in a container. Pressure is the measurement of those molecules applying force to the sides of its container. So obviously, the more moles you have, the higher pressure you have. Mole fraction is just a relationship where it's like a percentage, but we're not multiplying it times 100%. So it's the ratio of moles of a substance to the total moles. So when we use the Greek letter chi. So chi can equal the moles of one gas divided by the total number of gases, or it can equal the pressure of one gas divided by the total number of pressure. So whether a problem is solving over specifically like one part of this, or you could be using this relationship to solve something. When you're given moles, you can find out pressure. So either way, this is a very, very great tool to use. So let's do over some simple examples. So the partial pressure of nitrogen in air is 592 torr. Total air pressure is 752. What is the mole fraction? Well, if you want to find the chi of N2, that's just going to simply equal 592 divided by the total pressure, which is 752, and you plug in a number, and I got 0.78, oops, 7, cannot write. There are no units. It's just a ratio. So there are no units for chi. It's just telling us basically a percentage of this gas divided by total mass. Well, it's in torr, so you can notice the units will cancel out. So let's try a different example. What is the partial pressure of nitrogen if the container holding the air is compressed to 5.25 atm? So in my previous example, I noticed that my chi was 787. And they want to know is what is the partial pressure of the new nitrogen. So basically, you're looking for the pressure of N2 divided by my new total pressure, which is 5.25. So now we're solving for this one. So doing some algebra, you should be able to calculate what it is. So I got 4.13 ATM, since we're now dealing with ATM. So since it has no units and it's a ratio, you can use it for a lot of things, connecting both pressure or moles of a gas. So please use this as a tool to help answer some problems.